Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have this bicycle lock that is made by Master Lock, and it is called a street cuff. And let's see, 9 out of 10 security, 7mm diameter here, 74mm diameter, and 0.36 meter length, so this total length. And so even though it looks like this chain, there's a piece in the middle here to kind of help protect it. They do sell them where they make them longer, but this is just a shorter one. On the back, it's called a cuff lock in steel. So even though this looks like a pair of handcuffs, it's not. It's meant for locking up bicycles and electric scooters and stuff. So I mean, it is pretty hefty. So the whole idea is that you open it up here, come open, you put that around your frame, and then the other side you put it around a pole, lock it up, and then push the button down. And so obviously you can tell that is a tubular lock there on this little Master Lock. So here are the keys for it. So it's pretty cool, nice hefty duty lock, pretty heavy. Anyway, so we're going to try and pick this open today, and I kind of need this stabilized a little bit so it doesn't move around on me. So I'm just going to use my device here to kind of keep it still for me. And I guess we can zoom in here. So I'm going to pick this side. And I have seen these on other people have shown these. I remember, anyway, there have been a few people that have shown them. I think somebody pretty recently has shown something like this before, but so it is a tubular lock. And there's the key, bidding on the key. Anyway, so a normal like goat wrench or tubular lock wrench doesn't really quite fit on that, so I have to in order to tension that, so I kind of have to be a little creative here. So I'm just going to use this pick to kind of push it clockwise, make sure it turns. Okay, there we go. Keep that nice and tight, and then I'll just use this probe to push down the pins. It's kind of cool to actually see the pins as you're pushing them down rather than feel for them like a normal lock, other kinds of locks. So I'm just going to go around here in a circle and push it down till I hear a click. Not too difficult. These usually aren't too difficult, but and no, I do not have a tubular lock impressioning tool, so I just have to deal with what I have, and hopefully I can get it open today. I was practicing a little bit before I turned on the video, and I did get it open, so hopefully we can do that again. Okay, come on. Yeah, click there, click there, click there. Not a click. Yeah, pop back up down there. Okay, it keeps popping up on me as I go around. Ping pong. Play some ping pong around here, back and forth. Okay, eventually you'll get it, right? Yeah, come on. Click out of those. So you might notice that I think they're, if you count them, the pins around here, there's actually 10 with the 0 position where the tension part is. But then there's a couple pins that are inactive and don't move. There we go. There, we got it open. So there's a couple pins that don't move, don't do anything. So there we go. We got it open. Now to close it, because it won't lock anymore until we pick it closed. I have to grab it there again and push it the other direction. Sorry it took so long, but sometimes it just doesn't want to behave. There we go. Got it locked back up. See, it's still unlocked. Then we push that down. Now it's locked back up. There we go. There we go. Got it picked open and locked. So we have, they're basically, there's 10 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 0. Obviously that doesn't do anything. And that pin is active. Maybe I should bring this up so we can see what's going on. Okay, there we can see better. So there's the key right there. So like I was saying, there's 10 pins around here. This 0, obviously nothing there, but then we pick this one and that one. This one's inactive. And then we pick that one. That's inactive. Pick that one. That's inactive. Pick that one and that one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pins that we're worried about. So that's it. Anyway, there we have it. There's our master lock. Our master lock street cuff picked open. Hope you guys enjoyed that. A little tubular lock action going on today. Hope you guys like that. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed up there and leave a like, and definitely leave comments down below. Tell me what you think about this master lock bicycle lock that I have. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Let me get that out of the way. Thank you everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day.